Then at the end of October, they had the Great Aktion, the big action. Everybody had to come to Demokratieplatz. Everybody, 35,000. And Rauke stood there, and he was the one who said left, right. Who went left, who went right. My brother was born in September 1941. And he was an Efala little boy. When my mother stood there, nobody really knew what was going on. They were just told they had to come to Demokratieplatz. It was a snowy morning. They didn't know why, but they all stood together. Now, it was my mother, my father, 3 brothers, and my father's mother. And so when the German saw, he saw all young people, all workers. He didn't notice my brother, who was probably in a scarf. You know, and the old lady didn't see her either, because he saw young people, so they went to life. In later years, to the left were the people who would be killed the next day. In later years, I was in a show, and one of the people who was an usher, he told me that he was in the Kovne ghetto and he was told to go to death, but when the German wasn't watching, he ran over to his brother to the other side. I mean, people survived not because they were smarter, they were lucky. They were simply lucky. So that day, the next day, about 10,000 people were killed by the Germans. 10,000. With the major help, with the major dirty work done by the Lithuanians. Major. And the Lithuanians still will not recognize their part in all this.